Hello WRCC fans, and it's been a while, and this one we're moving out of the BMC era of British motoring and into British Leyland. So we've taken this car trading against a minor, obviously the minor's cousin. It's a 1984 Austin Mini, finished in Almond Green, so obviously a Morris stroke BMC colour with Old English white roof, mini lights, and chrome trim on her, chrome grille. It is exceptionally good. Usually, if anybody says, will you take this, that or the other trading against a minor, we're pretty reluctant, but when we saw this one, we certainly weren't reluctant at all, because it's absolutely mint. And I mean mint as well. If you're looking for a Mini, this one, you will be blown away. Come and have a look, get in your car, come along the M62, come to Halifax, have a look at it, and I can guarantee you will buy it. It's absolutely perfect underneath. It's got AP caliper upgrade on the front wheels, on the front braking system. It's got fancy rose jointed arms on it. It's got the mini lights. The paintwork's absolutely pristine, as you can see. Go slow actually. So the paintwork's absolutely pristine on the roof. Look at the shine. As I say, it's got that chrome embellisher all the way around the roof and all the way around the car. The underside of it's absolutely split mint as well. You'll have to take my word for that. You can obviously have a look if you come and have a look. You can get underneath and have a look, but at this moment in time, with it being so low, I can't lay on the floor and show you. So, Almond Green, Old English white roof. It has got a reconditioned 1098 engine fitted in it, which runs like a sewing machine. I've just had it running. 4 previous keepers, just under 38,000 miles on the clock. So we'll go one more time round. The wing tops, shine on it, shine on the roof. All the chrome works all perfect. So getting into the finer details. So it's got those aluminium billet handles and window wipers, as you can see. If you look at it, it's really, really, really hard to find any fault with this car, and I have looked and looked and looked, and it's in beautiful condition. So as I was saying, just under 38,000 miles, so 37,800. It's got the motor steering wheel on it. The seats are all in perfect order, as you can see. Perfect order there. Headlining's all in perfect order, in fact beautiful condition, as is the seats. All the interior it's like it was when it came out of the showroom. Back seat's the same, it's even got the original dealer sticker in the back window. It has got a 12 volt power point over there, so that's handy for modern driving or putting your stuff on, your sat nav, phone charger and whatnot. 2-speed heater, which you don't have in a Moggy. 4-speed, as I say, it's got a Recon 1098 in it, and it's literally only just running. As I said to you, it runs like a sewing machine, and if you listen out, it certainly does. So you're gonna have to excuse me opening the bonnet, because it's a bit of a two-handed job. There we go. Right, so as you can see, the engine bay and the underside of there, and the engine, alternator and everything is absolutely pristine. I dare say it's definitely a local show standard. You take this car to any local show, and I would have thought you'd be coming away with a prize or a trophy. So engine bay is nice and clean. You've got that polished aluminium rocker cover on it. I say reconditioned 1098, electronic ignition. It's got AP disc upgrade, I'll open the boot as well, and the boot's exactly the same. Absolutely nothing negative to report on it at all. Look at all those inner wings and that there, all nice and clean, all absolutely pristine. So it is a very, very, very good car, one that you definitely need to come and have a look at. I absolutely love it. If I had the room for it, I'd keep it, but as you know, I haven't got the room. So it's on at 12,495. It'll be on our website, which is www.westridingclassics.co.uk. You can give us a call on 01422881221 for further details. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk. As I say, all I can say to you is get in your car, get here and have a look at this, because it's an absolute belter. Thanks guys. Leave your comments in the comment section, and many thanks, because we've just hit over 1,000 subscribers, so that's absolutely immense. If you aren't subscribed already, if you can do, that'd help the channel out and help West Riding out massively. So thank you again.